Good morning, students. I hope you all are fit and fine. Wishing you a great health. Beta, you have done the exercise of chapter number 11. We will discuss its exercise of chapter number 11. First word is the queen looked angry. This sentence, the queen looked angry. Which kind of verb it is? Because we are not using any object here, so looked is a intransitive verb. Next sentence, the sky grew dark. We are not using any object here. Dark is not an object because it is telling about how the sky was dark. It is not giving the answer of what, who and whom. When it will give the answer of what, who and whom, then it will become an object. Clear? And we are not using any object, then grew is an intransitive verb. In next sentence, we eat lunch in the afternoon. What do we eat? We eat lunch. Lunch is giving the answer of what now? So lunch is an object here and eat is a transitive form. In next sentence, all the students arrived early. We are not using any object. So what kind of verb arrive is? Tell me. It is a intransitive verb. Good. Next one is the child smiled. We are not using any object. So smile is a intransitive verb. The boy made a kite. A kite is an object here. What did the boy make? So we are mentioning here the object. Now made becomes a transitive verb. Next sentence, the rain stopped. Stopped is a intransitive verb because we are not using any object here. Next sentence, the rose smells sweet. Sweet, it is giving the answer of how does the rose smell. It smells sweet. So it is giving the answer of how. Now it is not an object. Smells is a intransitive verb. In next question, look at this picture. You just have to tell what actions are going on. Clear? First sentence, the boy is catching fish. The boy is catching fish. Catch is a verb here and is a helping verb. Next sentence, he is having a cat. He is having a cat. Having is a verb. For example, I am having a chalk. Having is a verb here. Clear? And am is a helping verb. What I am having? Chalk. A chalk is a object here. Clear, beta? Next is, there are 3 fish in the basket. Are is a helping verb. 3 fish in the basket. There was 3 fish in the basket. A fish cuts a boy's finger. A fish cuts a boy's finger. So cut is a verb here. Okay. So make all this sentence. Next question is about use these verbs in transitive as well as intransitive form. इन verbs को transitive और intransitive दोनों forms में use करना है. By framing sentence, we will use write verb. I write a letter. We are mentioning here object. So now write is a transitive form. In next sentence, we will not mention any object. Now write become a intransitive form. He writes. We are not mentioning any object. Now writes is a intransitive form. Run. The boy is running 100-meter race. Now running is a transitive form. The boy runs. Runs is a intransitive form. Stop. I stop my car. What do I stop? My car. My car is an object here and stop is a transitive form. The car stopped. We are not mentioning any object here. So stopped is an intransitive form. Next is I drive a car. Drive is a transitive verb because we are mentioning here object. I drive. Drive is an intransitive verb because we are not mentioning any object. I have sent you the solution. Please tell your answer from these solutions also. Okay. Now we will move to the next chapter. Chapter number 12, forms of verb. Last chapter was kinds of verb, transitive and intransitive. Next chapter is forms of verbs. Clear? Basically, verbs are divided into 2 forms. First one is strong verbs. Next one is weak verbs. Beta, verbs are the doing words, no? Action words also. These action words are divided into 2 forms. ये strong भी होते हैं and sometimes it is a weak also. It depends on which it depends on. Beta, we will discuss in detail its type. हम इसकी टाइप्स को बाद में डिस्कस करेंगे. फर्स्टली वी विल डिस्कस द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक ऑफ दिस चैप्टर, देन वी विल मूव ऑन दिस टॉपिक. ओके, let's start today's topic. Before starting the today's topic, we will discuss the words of the day. I suggest you make me a promise that you will use these words in your routine life. I hope. Have you used that word which I have sent you yesterday? I hope you have used. Next word of the day, tidy, clean. Next is eager, excited. Fortunate, lucky. He is a fortunate person, he is a lucky man. Glum, sad. Beehive, a nest for a bees. Bees के रहने की जगह को हम क्या कहते हैं? Beehive. Clear? Okay. Now the next chapter, chapter number 12, forms of verbs. We will divide this verb, as I told you, two types, strong and weak verb. Okay. Beta, we will change verbs form into 3 steps. First form, second form, third form. Clear? When we will use first form, when we will use second form, when we will use third form. First form we will use in the present form. For example, I am teaching you. Now teach is the first form. I teach you. It is a present form. मैं आपको अभी पढ़ाती हूँ या पढ़ा रही हूँ. Right? Yesterday I taught you. Now taught becomes a past form. It is a second form of teach. And before summer vacation, मैंने आपको पढ़ाया था. I have taught you. That is a past participle form, verb third form. So verbs forms are divided into 3 parts: verb first form, second form, and third form. Make it very clear, beta. Third form never comes alone. Verb third form comes with has, have, or had. Without has or have, had, it will never, it is not complete. Okay, beta. So see, verbs are basically divided into 3 forms. First is present form, verb first form. As I told you, drink is a verb first form. When we will use this verb in present tense, in present time. Next is a past form, verb second form. Drink, what is the second form of drink? Drank. Next is a past participle form. What is the third form of drink? That is drunk. Verb third form. Clear, beta? For example, I drink water. मैं पानी पीती हूँ. Yesterday I drank water. कल मैंने पानी पिया. Right? And थोड़े टाइम पहले की बात कर रहे हैं. I have drunk juice. Then it is a past participle form. Past participle is past of past. Past के भी past की बात करेंगे. Then it is a past participle. Okay, beta? Wait a minute. Next is, see, there are examples, more examples are given. I do my work. This is a present form, verb first form. I did my work, past form. Do की second form, do, did. मैंने अपना काम किया था. Right? I have done my work. Have done is a past participle form, verb third form. Clear? These are the forms of verb. As I told you, present form, past form, past participle form. In simple way, if I discuss first form, second form, third form. Clear, beta? Hanji. So what are the strong verbs? Beta, strong verbs are the verbs in which we change just its vowel. हम क्या करते हैं strong verbs में? इसके सिर्फ vowel को, middle vowel को change करते हैं. Right? For example, what is the second form of speak? Spoke. We have just changed the middle vowel e. E को change करके आपने क्या लगाया? O. Sing, sang. We have changed I middle vowel into A. Next one is weak verb. These forms their past by adding d, ed, t. In weak verbs, we add d, ed, or t. For example, when we change its second form, we just add talk, talked. We have added ed only. We didn't change any middle vowel. In simple form, beta, weak verbs are the verbs in which we add ed, d, or t. Clear beta? And strong verbs are the verbs in which we totally change. For example, what is the second form of go? Went. So go is a strong verb because we are totally changing it. When we are changing its second form, go, went, go. So here are some forms given: present form, past participle form. You have to learn all these forms beta. Act, acted, acted. We have added here ed. So what kind of form it is? Tell me. Whether it is, tell me, it is a strong verb or weak verb. When we add ed, now it is a weak verb. Okay. Abuse, abused. We are adding ed. It is also a weak verb. Agree, agreed. Advised, advised. Add, added, added. Allow, allowed, allowed. I allow you. I allowed you. I have allowed you. Clear beta? We are adding here ed. See, this is the break, broke, broken. This is a strong verb because we are not adding ed, d or t. We are totally changing it. Break form ने किसमें change कर दिया? Second form में broke and third form is broken. So it is a weak verb. आपको ये नहीं देखना कि what is a strong verb or weak verb. You just have to learn its past and past participle form. You just know. आपको पता होना चाहिए कि strong verbs और weak verbs होती क्या. Clear बेटा? But no need to learn whether it is a strong. For a knowledge sake you should know because it is given. Okay beta? So these are the given forms of the second and the third form. You need to learn it. Beta, there are certain verbs when you change its past form or past participle form, it remains same. जब आप उनकी second और third form बनाते हैं, bet, 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 it will remain same. Next is burst, 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 cast, 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 cut, cut, cut. We are not adding ed, we are not changing it. So कुछ ऐसी verbs भी हैं, ये आपको as it is learn करनी है. Okay beta? And do this exercise properly. Complete exercise. And we will discuss its chapter solution also. Beta, on Tuesday I will take your test of chapter number 11, grammar. So prepare for it and have a great day. Goodbye.